everybody, it's Julie with Tasty in Texas. Yes, I am in my kitchen dining room, I guess you could say, breakfast nook, whatever. I'm doing my grocery haul because we're doing some different things this week in eating. Today I'm making brown beans because it is flipping cold outside. It's rainy and yucky. So anyway, we're gonna get off with is I'm doing bread. I got bread. 2 loaves of bread, then I got a loaf of bimbo bread because one of my roommates likes to take it with his lunch because it stays better. And we got whole grain multi-seed bread, which has 4 grams of sugar. Then I got some corn tortillas, some flour tortillas. Our Walmart is stuck on stupid or has brain farts or whatever you want to call it because they put these in my haul. I didn't order them, but they're not on my list. They put sunflower oil on my haul. I didn't order it. We got basmati rice. It's supposed to be a great big huge thing. They gave me a little one. They substituted my shrimp for raw shrimp with, well, it's deveined and it has the tails, so that's okay. Then I have my sweetener because you know I do the sugar-free sweeteners. I have the Hershey's Zero Sugar. I have the High Key wafers. I have no clue what that is. It's gluten-free and 3 grams of carbs. I have butter. I have coffee creamer, sugar-free. They sent me 2 lemon peppers. I only needed 1 rotisserie chicken. They sent me the lemon pepper. Everybody knows I'm allergic to lemon, so I won't be eating it. Now I'm gonna make something with gnocchi. Okay, this is potato gnocchi because we're doing this is 2 grams of sugar, but we're doing a dish with this. I have vanilla ice cream. Yes, I know. It's got 18 grams of sugar in it, but I need, per 2/3 cup. I need this for one of my desserts that I'm making. I got balanced breaks. I got vanilla yogurt. I got some Kalamata olives. They're pitted. I got barbecue sauce. I got guacamole, eggs. Now, some of our recipes call for soy sauce. I think that's it. And liquid aminos. A friend of mine, one of my old bosses that we're best friends, we're really good friends now. She told me to try liquid aminos because it's not an in-your-face soy, and my roommate doesn't really like soy. And also she told me to get coconut aminos. We're gonna test these and see. I got Greek yogurt. I got Parmesan cheese. Now, this is how stuck on stupid my Walmart is. Okay, I've got gluten-free baking powder. I'm going to try this because I'm going to make some pie crust. My sister hasn't tried it, but I'm going to try it. They sent me yellow cornmeal. Then they sent me another yellow cornmeal. Now, you tell me. I got more vanilla. I got almond extract. I got baking soda, baking powder. I got cheeses. Now, I ordered 4 cheeses. I got 6. I ordered 2 mozzarellas. I got 1. Like I said, my Walmart. Now, I'm making something with pineapple, and I wanted the bigger one, but they didn't give me the bigger one. This is the one they gave me. I'm making something with strawberries. Now, I said I wanted 4 pounds of bananas because they're on sale. I got 4 bananas. That's it. 4. Now, you really tell me We got broccoli slaw. We got broccoli crowns. We've got an English cucumber, and we got scallions. They're green onions. We got 4 avocados, 2 mangoes, because I'm going to try a mango salsa. We have cilantro. Now, you tell them you want 2 peppers. This is what they send you. They send you like 15. We got fresh baby spinach. We got tomatoes. We got bell peppers, lettuce, celery. We have mushrooms. Now, I replace all of the hamburger that I use. I replace the ground beef. That's what I'm replacing here. I have chicken breast tenderloins because they didn't have any just chicken breast. I have 2 yellow cake mix because I am making peach dump cake. My roommates love peach dump cake. Then I got Triscuits. I got onions. And that's about my grocery haul. I think that's everything. Yep. So anyway, y'all be on the lookout for new recipes. See ya, bye!